Hello guys, my name is Jian and welcome back to the tutorial for learning programming language by example using C# and ASP.NET. Okay, so today we continue with the day 9 for using needed repeater, or we can call it a repeater inside repeater. Okay, so now I will open the database and let's see what we have. So we have two tables, product type and the second one is product. So I will use product type to display as the parent register, and the product will display inside that register, so we can call it a child register. Okay, so now back to us take a look to see what column we have for each table. Okay, come back to Visual Studio and let's create another website page. I will call this a okay, so I will open the repeater example as we listed in the previous video and copy some code to save the time. Okay, so we no need to use the header here. We can delete this one. Just keep the item template. In this template, I only want to display the product type ID and the product type name. So I will copy that one. So I will change the repeater in repeater product type. So we can name it as parent. Okay, so now we back to the code behind. We can open that one to copy. Namespace. Okay, so here's some variable requests for you working with the database by using the SQL command and SQL database adapter, and we can also create a connection string we get from the web config. Yeah. So we will create a function as a method to load the data from the database, and it display it inside the register on the website. So this one will display the data for the product type. So for example, I will write some Click here for one time. Okay, so you can see here some of the value inside that table. So I go ahead to copy this one and replace it here. Yes. So let's try to run this one. Yes, it displays the data here. Okay. We can. Okay, so we have a break. We push it inside B. Okay. Okay, so now I will go ahead to create a hidden view here to store the project ID on the website. So I will use it for finding the key for the child creator. Hidden view. Put it here. Okay, so now come back to the SQL. You see, we will get some data inside table product. So we have ID 3 is the car. So I will get what ID equal 3. Okay, it contains 3 product here. So now I want to display the 3 product under the car under the car tag here. And the same thing for computer and television. Yep. So now I will go ahead to create a try repeater to display the sub content here. So now I will, for example, I will copy this one and I will put it inside this here. Here. I will name it the product try. So in product we have product ID. Okay, equal 5. So now I will, for example, I only want to display the product name. Okay, so that's this one is only the HTML code for the child repeater. So now we have to write the code behind to buy the data inside this one. Okay, so let's come back to the code behind. Okay, so to write the code behind to get the data from database and display inside the child repeater, we have to write the code inside the item data bound for the parent repeater. Okay, so for example, uh, In this tutorial, I only show you two levels for the repeater. So that means when you want to display the data for repeater 2, you will write the code inside the item data bound of parent repeater. So for example, if you have three repeater on the web page, so you want to the first thing you want to write the code to display the data for the repeater 2, it will write it inside the item data bound of repeater 1, and if you want to write the code for repeater 3, you will write the code inside the item data bound of repeater 2, and the same thing for multi-level of repeater on the website. Okay. So we will use the property file item to find the hidden field on the web page to get the ID of product type first. So next steps we will find the repeater, the try repeater. Okay, so now we do the same thing with for binding data into the repeater. So you can string, for example, copy this one. What? So it is a padding code here. I will change it with the parameter and auto by product ID. Okay. Launch CMD parameter. We will pass the value here. parameter. Those value. So we can convert it to integer value. Okay, so let's try to run this one. Okay, let's see. Oh my god. Okay, so still have some redundant code here. Okay, so you can see this one is the product type value and the under it is the product value. It's the same thing for ID2 and ID1. Okay, so I think that's all for the example. Need the repeater or repeater inside repeater. So I hope this tutorial will helpful for you guys. So you can base on that to create for some complex example. Or if you have any question, please put it in the comment box, and I in the YouTube I will try to example answer you as soon as possible. Okay, so I will also upload this course to the GitHub, so if I can go there to download and see. Okay, bye bye and have a good day. Happy coding. Bye bye.